Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Adriana, a smallholder farmer from the village of Bethel in the mountain kingdom of Lesotho. It is late in the evening and I just received an urgent order for green bell peppers. There's a storm brewing up in every direction and the customer is already on the way to pick up the order. So I need to hurry before the storm hits. So stick around and let's pick some peppers. This is the same crop that we hoed weeds for in a previous upload. If you haven't seen that video, I will leave you a link in the description box down below, so please check it out. If you are also enjoying watching this video, please remember to hit the like button. This lets me know that you are enjoying the content so that I can continue. It also helps with the YouTube algorithm so that we can reach more people and help the channel grow. The storm is now rolling in. There's Dad heading back home. Man, I gotta scram too. I got soaked a bit, but at least I did manage to get 250 peppers in just a few minutes. If you aren't already subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so that you won't miss a future upload. It's bye for now.